There are a lot of power cord companies. We're kind of unique is that we control the whole process. There aren't a lot of companies that are drawing the copper. They typically are buying the rods from someone else, already bunched in twist, or they're buying the jackets and then molding the plugs and connectors. You're never going to find us pointing fingers at somebody else. Hi, I'm Guy Frankfurt from Mega Electronics, manufacturer of power cords and power supplies. We have two sides of the company. One makes the wire and cables, and the second division of the company makes the power supplies. Virtually everything we make is custom because you have different barrel lengths, so we don't have anything sitting on the shelf unless it's already designed for a particular customer. For the power cords, we're a rather unique company. We draw our own copper, so we're actually 2 steps away from the copper mine. We get in 8mm copper rods, which is about the size of a pencil, draw it down to as small as 0.05 millimeters. So we do the bunching and twisting of all the rods in-house to make the interconductors, extrude the jackets, bunch and twist the interconductors, extrude the outer jackets, and then mold, plug, and connector. It makes us kind of unique. We can control the entire process, also control the quality that way. We're able to do any kind of unique colors, blues, purples, grays, whatever the customer needs. So we're able to change lengths, gauges, and we have all the national approvals again for anywhere someone needs to ship. So if you needed to ship units to Brazil, India, we typically have these in stock. Power supplies run from 5 watts up to 960 watts. Desktop, wall plug-in, DIN rail, and board level. Basically any application you need for power up to 960 watts, we can cover it. This is the smallest basic power supply that we offer. The wall plug-in takes power directly from the outlet, converts it from AC to DC. We have the series of 309 pin and sleeve plugs. We can do the assembled plugs, assembled connectors, the AC inlets that mate to the power cords. This would be powering a refrigerator container ship. The container would be powered with this. Mass spectrometers. This is pretty heavy duty serious stuff. This is a 65 amp plug. Typically the engineers will tell us what they need. They tell us the output power they need, where they want to ship it. We design it with all the national approvals wherever they need to go, and then whatever connection they need to make to their product. We'll get CTIC for Australia, CCC for China, CB reports, CE for Europe. Anywhere you need to go, we get you covered. And there's different efficiency levels now. There's an efficiency level 5, which is required for Europe. So if you're using a power supply in the US that's not efficiency level 5, you ship it to Europe, it's going to be rejected and can't be used. You send us on a sketch, on a piece of paper, on a napkin, and say this is what we want. We can recommend what we think will best fit the application and meet all the national standards.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.